Here, at a construction site, children are being forced to work. They are the victims of child labor.
The person who is walking by the construction site is the news reporter.
Oh my god, what is happening here? Children, are they child labor? Oh yes, that's a great news. It will increase our channel's TRP. I should inform this to my boss and my team members.
News reporter moves to the studio to give the news.
Ma'am, I have got a great news which would make our channel number 1.
Oh really? What's the news? Tell me quickly. Reporter tells the boss all the happenings.
Come on team, hurry up. Let's go and cover the news.
Media reaches the construction site and starts the live telecast.
Breaking news, we have caught some children working at a construction site. Hey little children, why are you working here? Do you not want to go to school?
No sir, you are misunderstood. We are not willing to work here, but we have no option left. We are very poor, so we have to work here to earn our livelihood.
Tell us young ones, do you have some dreams in life?
Yes sir, we have.
Can you please tell us what are they?
I want to become the owner of a big company.
My dream is to become a doctor.
The aim of my life is to give people justice by becoming a lawyer.
My goal is to become an engineer.
That's great. As you all can see, these children want to go to school but cannot. Is this the future of our country? With this, I am Puneet with my cameraman Raghav. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.
कुछ पाने की हो आस पास कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो बार बार तर दरियाओं को बार बार आशाएं तूफानों को छीन के मंजिलों को छीन ले
Now these children came together in spirit of inspiration to take a step for themselves.
All of you, come here. I want to discuss something with you. It's that we have been working here under pressure for a long time. I think we should confess it to the manager and stand for our rights.
Yes, we should do this. Children decided to go to the manager.
Why are you all here? Go back to your work.
Sir, we all are here to tell you something.
Sir, we all have decided that we don't want to work here anymore. We want to go to school.
Oh really? Now you don't want to work here? Okay then, repay all the money which I have lent you. You are unable, right? Then go and work now.
Children are going back to their work with disappointment.
है जो लहू मेरा बहता चला देखो जुनू मेरा कहता चला ख्वाबों का था मकान जो डहता चला
The owner of the construction site watches the news and reaches at the construction site to help the children.
Sir, why did you take effort to come here? You would inform me. I would report you about the site.
What's happening here? Why these children are working on my side? My company will have a great loss. I don't want to talk to you. You are fired. Go away.
Businessman goes to the children.
Hey children, come here.
I am Mr. Oberoi, the owner of this construction site. I have heard that you are forced to work here.
Yes, sir, we are.
We want to go to school, but we have to work here.
Okay, children, I will send you to school and pay all your fees.
Oh, really, sir? Thanks a lot.
Students studied in school. After that, they went to college and did hard work to pursue their dreams.
Finally, guys, we have done it.